Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kiran Talks. Imagine that your dad is a multi-billionaire and you are the only son of your dad. If somebody comes to you and say that, hey, you are very lucky, you are born with a golden spoon and you are the only son of your dad. Now how do you feel that? Do you feel it as a compliment or you take it as an insult? Again, imagine that you are a topper in your education. You are topper not in your class, not in your school, but in the state level itself. Right from your childhood to your PG, you are a topper in the state level. In 10th class, you are a topper at the state level. In the 12th class, you are a topper at the state level. And at the graduation level, you are a university gold medalist. And at PG level, you are a university gold medalist again. In such a situation, if somebody comes to you and say that, hey, you are very lucky, Goddess Saraswati has given you blessings and grace, that's why you have excelled in your education, then how do you feel? Do you take it as a compliment or do you take it as an insult? Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays people say the same sentence, you are lucky, in both the situations. But is that correct? In my opinion, if a person who doesn't involve in an act or a work and enjoys the result or the success or the benefits, then he should be lucky. He should be called as lucky and he should accept that he is lucky. If somebody says that you are lucky, then he should accept that. He should take it as a compliment. If you consider the situation one, you are a son of a multi-billionaire. You have to do nothing with the billions. That is your father's hard work, his commitment, his dedication. He has earned it for you and you are enjoying the benefits. So you should feel as lucky. On the other hand, if a person who involves in an act or a work and who produces results with a consistency each and every time, then he should be treated as a talented person. If a person comes to you and says that you are lucky, you should not accept that. You should accept as an insult. Yes, you should accept as an insult. Because that is your hard work, your dedication and commitment. You have excelled throughout your career from your childhood to the PG level with your hard work. It's not the institution or the teacher's thing that made you to excel like that. It is your own hard work. That's why you are talented in that case. And if somebody says that you are lucky, you should not accept that. It's an insult for you. If Sachin Tendulkar, somebody comes to him and says that, hey, you are very lucky, you are a disciple of Ramakant Archerkar, he had taught you so much of cricket, that's why you are world famous now. If somebody says that, it's a pure insult to Tendulkar. He is not accepting his credit. Ramakant Archerkar would not have taught Tendulkar how to hit a perfect square cut of a ball which is going into the wicketkeeper hands or into the slipper's hands. Ramakant Archerkar would not taught the shot Tendulkar to convert a Yorker into a sixer. All these things are his methods and techniques. As he has used all these methods and techniques, he has become so famous. So, ladies and gentlemen, one should understand the difference between the two and then they should comment. Otherwise, it hurts the feelings of others. Getting a lottery for $1 million is luck. Earning $1 million is a talent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in next video.